Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Zito. Today we're going to be working on connector trails, I want to call them, but it's going to be really fun. Let's go.
Okay everyone, so there are going to be two connector trails. This is the first video on the connector trail. And you guys, if you might be wondering, why is there a trail here? You'll see more about it in the tune-up video that's coming. That's not coming for a while though. So basically my friends came over one day. Well, yeah. And they wanted to make a trail that was hard. So here's where we did it. So, I'm gonna show you what the connecting trail is first. So I've started a little, and all it's gonna do is go this way through here, and then we'll walk the other connector trail that's gonna be over there. But yeah. This, I'll show you what I've been doing with this tool. So, I actually filled this in a lot this morning because this is really good at pulling dirt. So I've been using this a lot to make the dirt to be able to dig up. But yeah. So this trail, it's just because this is a double black. All the trails that are going to be over here are double black except for this. This is a blue. Part of the reason I chose to make it here is because this is going to be like the chicken out trail that you should have seen in one of the previous videos. Also, I just, for last video, you saw my dad and he was helping me with the trails. Every weekend, which is most of the time when I film, he helps me now a lot, but yeah. So happy birthday to me, as you could have seen in the intro. I actually had this raked out before. And this whole space, while we're doing this, I just want to tell you, I have plans for the last area, but those are probably, that's going to be one of the last trail videos. And I know some people might be like, no more trail videos after that. That is going to be not for a while. So yeah, because we're also gonna, that's not gonna be coming for probably about a few months. I'm not sure even really what we're gonna do over there yet. But the idea that I have to go over it first. Okay? So we have the connecting trail going. And we have the rake, both rakes over here. So now that we finished that up, I'm just gonna walk down the jump trail. By the way, these have packed in so phenomenally well. It's actually amazing. But the next trail that's gonna be like the next connecting trail that won't be out for a while. There's a path right here. It's very subtle, but there is one. And what I would use this for is to go to like a path through the woods to my school, but it's gonna be around this area. Like we're gonna use a little of this area, but yeah. So that's really it from me today. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the trail building yet again. I mean, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Okay, everyone. So in the last clip, when I said that was gonna be it, I was actually sort of lying because I thought that was gonna be it, but turns out that I can actually make the other connector trail. But yeah, I have a lot of tools. So let's hop straight into a time lapse of just creating the trail. But first what we are gonna do is move the sticks. And then after all of that is done, we'll actually I have a very good line for the connector trails, but yeah. So if you remember from the first clip, it's gonna go around there. So let's head into that time lapse. So I hope you enjoyed that jazzy time lapse. That one took about an hour. My dad's just doing a little cleanup, and I'm definitely gonna do some cleanup by myself out here. Also, I don't think I mentioned this in the intro, but my dad is helping me again. But well, not the intro, but the start of the second part. We just cleared a big part. It rained this morning, so the ground's a little mushy, but we can still try out the trail. And there's an interesting line that if we go through my patio, we can do this trail. We just have to clean up some spots. Like right here, there's a piece of wood. So just moving that out so it's easier for the bike tires to go over. So yeah, I'll see you at the top of the trails and we'll do the whole loop. Yeah, see you then. I don't know about anyone else, but I'm really excited to try this. Everything's cleared off, so let's just head into getting the two connector trails. 3, 2, 1, dropping. Can't wait to do this special line that I cleared. walking through a patio. This is the alternate line. Except you sort of have to stop at the fireplace. Then you can go this way, through the mud, all the way over to the new trail. Well, connected trail. Okay. Very good. Good. This is hard to pedal through because of the mud, but as soon as it hardens, I just have to walk my bike through there. I didn't have enough speed at all, but as soon as this hardens, it's gonna be a lot better of a surface to ride on. Like over here, it's perfect because it's protected, but that was the alternate line with the 2 connector trails. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time. And now this is for real. Bye.